Ranking everything I ate in Greece. You guessed it, Greek salads are even better in Greece, and why just have a few crumbles of feta when you can have an entire block of feta? Greek sweet pastries like baklava or kadaifi are so sticky, sweet, you just can't say no. Souvlaki, or grilled pork or chicken on sticks, tastes charred, smoky, and tender all at once. Savory phyllo pies like tiropita or spanakopita are flaky, cheesy, rich, and oh so satisfying. Saganaki. I love this fried feta cheese. It's crispy, salty, and amazing with any fresh or grilled vegetables. In Greece, Greek yogurt is way thicker, tangier, and is traditionally served with honey and chopped walnuts. Grilled vegetables. Using Greece's fresh zucchini, aubergine, bell peppers, and onions are commonly grilled or fried as a veggie side. Pastizio. It's a delicious cube of pasta. It's so soft, flavorful, and comforting. Fresh seafood in Greece is a must try. It's right on the coast, so grilled shell-on shrimp, sardines, cuttlefish, and octopus are perfectly tender and taste as fresh as the ocean. Moussaka. Moussaka is Greek love on a plate. Ground lamb cooked with warm spices, tomato, onions, and eggplant, topped with a creamy bechamel is divine. And that's it. Tell me in the comments how you would rank these dishes.